This is a Niagara Conservation Stealth N7714 toilet. At least the tank is marked N7714, meaning it was made by Niagara Conservation. It has a push button. They make a version without a button as well. On the bowl, it is marked Niagara Conservation with the flush, 0.8 gallons per flush, or converts to 3 liters per flush. Let's take the lid off. You can see on the underside of the lid, it's got a marking. It's upside down from here, but it says N7714. These are made in China. And it says inside the tank, N7714 has this Stealth UHET special flush tank system. And the manufacturer on that is labeled as BSB. And Niagara Conservation Stealth N7714.